Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I wanted to come on real quick to share my Father's Day cards for Satmorn Makes, hosted by Jill Norwood. I try to do it every Saturday and I always fail. But I'm here today and I am showcasing my Father's Day cards for this year. So this is an A2 size card. Very simple. I mainly use just cardstock. I'm always struggle. I mean, I know I say this every year. I always struggle with masculine cards, and I just don't know why. I love to do girly cards and feminine cards, but I'm not one for masculine. I always have a mental block. So let me share what I use. So I use this die from Lawn Fawn. I think this is new. No, it's from 2022, and it is the Giant Happy Dad's Day. And okay, I'm putting this away. Yeah, so I can't remember where I got it, but maybe scrapbook.com or Simon Says Stamps, I think. So I liked it because it's just one piece, and it cuts perfectly. So I love Lawn Fawn, so I used that. I used some stamps from my stash. This is a Dollar Tree stamp set that I got from Susan, who's Susan Heartstrings here on YouTube. And then I bought this stamp set. It's from Globeland, from Amazon, I think. And I got another set from a kit that I got just recently. But anyway, I cut up some craft cardstock and I stamped with different stamps, ink colors from Stampin' Up. I think they're retired colors, but they're all different colors. And I distressed the edges. I even used my old Cuttlebee, I don't know what they're called. I think they're just perforated dots on the, I don't know if you can see them, but they just make like a little line of dots, and I just used that. I distressed the edges with my Tim Holtz distressor, but you certainly don't need to use that. You can certainly use a scissors and distress the edges of your paper. I used my speckle stamp. Love this stamp. And I just, did it here and there in black. Yeah, and I also inked the edges as well. And then inside, I just stamped in the corner here. And I'm pretty sure that all the fathers that I know love coffee. So this was the perfect theme for a Father's Day card. And I pretty much did the same thing to all the others. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.